electron cloud. Mirrors off. When I say 1, 2, 3, teach, you're going to say 1, 2, 3, okay. And for 30 seconds, you're going to teach your table partners about protons, neutrons, and electrons. You're going to use the gestures that we were just using to teach your table partners about protons, neutrons, and electrons. When I say 1, 2, 3, teach, you're going to say 1, 2, 3, okay, and teach your table partners about protons, neutrons, and electrons. You may stand up in your seat, but I prefer if you sit down in your seat.
Oh,
that was my bad. You may stand up out of your seat, not in your seat, but I prefer if you sit. If you really prefer to stand up, you may on the floor beside your chair. When I say 1, 2, 3, teach, you're going to say 1, 2, 3, okay, and for 30 seconds you will teach your table partners about protons, neutrons, and electrons. This will be graded, so I will be walking around to see who is teaching their table partners about protons, neutrons, and electrons. 1, 2, 3, teach!
1, 2, 3, okay!
30 seconds go.
Electrons are negative. This is the center of my chest. This is where my heart is.
That's where my heart is.
And this is where the protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus.
That's where the protons are located.
I'm Cameron, by the way. She's showing us to her husband. Hey, Mr. Davis.
Voices off in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Class?
Yes.
That was excellent. I saw many scholars teaching their table partners about protons, neutrons, and electrons. Give yourself 2 hand claps. 1, 2. I would like one scholar, nice and loud, in a nice and loud voice, to teach the rest of us standing up about protons, neutrons, and electrons using our gestures. Cameron! All scholars tracking Cameron.
Here.
You can come right up here. Everyone sitting slant. Everyone sitting slant.
Yes.
Class in class.
Yes.
Mirrors on.
Mirrors on.
Neutrons are neutral.
Neutrons are neutral.
Protons are positive.
Protons are positive.
Electrons are negative.
Electrons are negative.
This is the center of my
didn't say it, so I said it for him.
Oh, did you say cameras off?
You can, yeah, that's close.